Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Afisena Hamdan. In this video, I will give a question, tugas 4, IP address and subnetting. In this, I will describe about IP address. IP address is stand for Internet Protocol Address. It is an identifying number that is associated with a specific computer or computer network. When connected to the internet, the IP address allows the computers to send and receive information. So IP address ini is each device must have IP address to connect it with other device. Also in internet connection or not, or local address only. Then number 2 question is what's difference IP public versus IP private. IP public is an IP address can be accessed directly over the internet. This is the key over internet and is assigned to your network router by your internet service provider, assigned by the ISP. Your personal device also have a private IP that remain hidden when you connect the internet. A private IP address is addressed to your network router assigned to your device. Each device within the same network is assigned a unique private, sometimes called a private network address. This is how devices on the same internal network talk to each other. Difference IP public versus IP private is IP public assigned by ISP. If IP private is not assigned, it is up to your administrator to assign the network. But IP private have rules that IP that have been assigned. This is the rules the IP private assigned by IANA, Internet Assigned Number Authority. IP private is in class A 10 by 0 by 0 by 0 until 10 155 135 135. Then class B 170 72 16.0.0 until 172 31.155.155. Then class C is 192.168.0.0 until 192.198.255.125. Next, the prefix and subnetting. Prefix and subnetting, this is for the network in one networking must be efficient without default, because if we say 192.198.68 point 1.1 prefix 2, but its meaning IP available from 1.1.1 until 192.168.254. This is standard class C prefix 24. IP available is too much until 2054 host. If we want to simple network with tiny or small network, maybe 5 user atau host, we can choose this network 192.168.1.1 5 user, so 29. So this is will available 6 user or host. This is prefix at subnetting. This is for optimize and maximize available network, available IP in a network. Then about exam question subnetting. If we want to have a network with 14 PC, so how we use prefix efficient? If we want to have 14 PC or host, we must have this is the formula. Then because he want to 40 14, then the 156 minus 18, so 140. So this is the sample network IP address 101 prefix (28). Total IP in one subnet is total IP (18). This is the prefix. Then net mask is net mask 155, then 140. Then IP network is 122.168.1.0. This is IP network. Then IP broadcast is, this is the key, the IP 16. So this broadcast is before 16. .1.15. Then IP available from 100 from 1 until 14. This is the answer. If we want to 14 user or host, we can use prefix 28. Okay, this is enough for this day. See you again tomorrow. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.